Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this. As you can see, I got it on sale. It's a Nurish, and it's basically plant-based cheese. Check that out, plant-based mozzarella. And I haven't tried this this one yet because I've used so many other ones like Daya and things like that. So, but yeah, I wanted to try this one, see if it actually melts really well. So here are the ingredients. You got starches, coconut oil, sunflower oil, pea protein in there. It does have some calcium in there, as you can see, which is interesting. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make some homemade sort of like flatbread pizza stuff. So I'll be right back, guys, and I'll do a quick taste test. Okay, so I opened the package. It does smell like cheese, like surprisingly, like exactly like cheese. So here's the mozzarella. I'm gonna try it right now. Wow, it's very close. The only thing is, it's not really like creamy. Like I've tasted mozzarella like before a long time ago, but it sort of breaks in your mouth, but it's not really creamy, but it has the aroma. But I'm gonna test it out and see how well it melts. Okay guys, stay tuned. It is all melted. Now I'm gonna try it out. This is that, let's see if it, oh, well, as you can see, it doesn't really melt well. And it looks crispy instead. Yep, it's crispy. Alright guys, it's not bad otherwise though. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.